One fundamental challenge for every society are egoistic people. Just imagine everyone would care as much for others as they are caring for themselves. Then we wouldn't need that much police and far fewer lawyers. If only there was a system to channel the egoistic motives of the people to serve everyone in society. Can you envision such a system? Welcome at this series about the wonders of capitalism. Today's wonder is the invisible hand as it reframes egoism. But let's take a step back first. In essence, capitalism, like feudalism or socialism, is a way to organize society. So for this video, let's widen our view and look at capitalism as a system that structures how we live with each other. Take the market equilibrium from the first wonder as an example. It not only calibrates demand and supply, but in the end influences what people are doing. If the demand for bread is high, then the bakers will earn more money. Hence, this occupation becomes more attractive and more people will enter the baker business. And this way bread will become cheaper and more accessible for everyone. The same is true for innovations. As there's so much money to make with better products, many people will look for innovations which will eventually improve our lives. Thus, it almost seems as if there were a hidden force that drives people's choices. And actually, this force exists and has a name. It's called the invisible hand. The man who first saw the hand was the moral philosopher Adam Smith. And as a moral philosopher, he was of course advocating for empathy and altruism. However, observing the advancing division of labor which happened during the Industrial Revolution, he noticed something. It is not from the benevolence of the butcher, the brewer or the baker that we can expect our dinner, but from their regard to their own interest. What he means is that people are working for each other despite being egoistic. In capitalism, egoism is no longer a danger for society, but actually fosters general welfare. Think about it. Virtually all the products we have, the clothes we wear, the food we eat, the books we read, and the videos we watch were all made by other people. And in at least 3 of those 4 cases, those other people made them for money. The sewer in Bangladesh didn't make your shirt because she likes making shirts or because she likes you, but for the $68 she earns in a month. Hence, she serves you despite being egoistic because of the wonders of the invisible hand. Without that, you would have to make your own shirt, and while that might still be possible, think about computers or washing machines. Today we totally depend on other people to make our living, so it's a great thing that the invisible hand steers egoism to our all benefit. We are dependent, but this dependency isn't built on the sandy grounds of altruism, but on the perhaps most reliable human motive, on egoism. We wouldn't abandon democracy, which protects us from egoistic monarchs. We wouldn't abandon the police, as it protects us from the egoism of criminals. So why ever abandon capitalism as it reframes egoism to serve us all? We'll find out soon, because that was the last wonder of capitalism. So stay tuned, subscribe, and join again for the more critical fear. I enjoyed looking at the wonders of capitalism. If you feel the same, give this video a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and best wishes from Practical Philosophy.